Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week episode I would like to show you how you can change a bulb light to a Seat Leon from 2012. It's quite a easy job to do. It's not so complicated as Skoda Octavia, for example, or Ford K, where you have to remove the headlights. But here we have a cap, so you have a small clip here, you have to move it up, then another clip down, this one, it's over here, you have to move it down, then you take the cap out, put it here, then here inside we have kit. Just pull it out, easy. Then you have a clip over here, this one, which you have to lift it a little bit up and then going to the right, and this is how you remove the H7 bulb light which is broken. Now we're gonna fit a new one with this side up, so exactly like this. Okay, we're gonna put the clip up. Now just put it up and then turn it to the right. You put the socket back, the cap, first you put it here, then you put the down clip, which is here. You should hear a click, and then the upper one, which is over here, and that's it. This is everything. This is everything for today, guys. It's a short clip because I have thought it will be harder than this, but it's quite easier than the other Ford K that I own or the Skoda Octavia. So thank you very much.